So today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to braid toddlers' hair. So the first thing I'm going to do is start by combing through her hair with my wide tooth comb. It needs a little, and then I'm going to use this liquid moisture refresher by Camille Rose, just to soften up her hair a bit, because it's a little bit hard, just a little bit. So I'm going to start by making a part from ear to ear. And then I'm going to start by greasing her hair with this Blue Magic Original Super Sure Growth. And it's made with shea butter, jojoba oil, and Japanese green tea leaves. I'm going to start by doing like a slanted part. And that's how my braid is going to be. Slanted.
Back in the time, yeah, back in the time when you and I were something. It was back in the time, oh yeah. You know that I tried, yeah, I really tried. Oh, you gave me that feeling. You gave me that feeling I'm free. I felt so trapped until I found you. Until I found you. Now all I feel is free. You know that I would never leave you, 'cause I feel free. Yeah, all I feel is free. I feel free. Feeling.
Okay, so in order to do a braid, this is what I do. I get 3 pieces from the front. So I'll have a piece in my left, right, and in the middle. And then I'm gonna do like a crab claw with these 3 fingers. Hold the piece in the right. I'm gonna do the same thing with the left. And then with the middle piece, I'm gonna put it over my middle finger and then grab it between the index finger. So it's gonna be like this. So the middle piece is between, it's going over the middle finger, and it's being held by the thumb and index finger. And then I'm gonna take my middle finger, I'm gonna grab the right piece that's laying underneath, like so, while the middle piece goes over that right piece. So now the right piece is in the middle. I'm gonna do the same thing with the left piece that I had here, bringing the middle piece over. I'm just going to continue doing this and pick up here as I go down. I'm just going to keep going down, see if you guys can see. Just going to keep going down, picking up here accordingly. Now guys, I'm not like the best braider because I'm obviously kind of just learning, but they come out okay for her. She's a toddler and she likes them when I do it. So, you know, this is just for persons that are starting out to braid or don't know what type of styles they want to do with their toddler's hair. So as I said, I'm just picking up accordingly as I go down and going over, picking up. So the hand, see this finger, this index finger is picking the hair up while it's grabbing. You see that? It's grabbing. So this is all I'm going to be doing. It's like the two of